guys. Hello guys, today's date is October 31st, 2020, Halloween 2020, and I'm just walking inside of the Nam Dae Mun Asian market in Morrow, Georgia. I just wanted to see what it looked like in here. I just came from Best Buy to get the warranty for the camera I'm using. If you like this video, please give this video a like. Consider subscribing to my channel. Excuse me. And once again, yeah, click that bell icon if you want to be notified of my latest uploads. Enjoy the video. They have a wine section here. They have meats. Let's go over here.
Cleaning and sanitizing frequently touched or handled surfaces like checkout lanes, credit card machines, door handles, and all other common areas. Restrooms are cleaned and sanitized more frequently than stocking supplies. Our associates are assisting.
2020 has been quite the year with, you already know. I'm not going to mention it, but I think that should say it. You can actually get demonetized for mentioning the event, so I'm not going to mention it. Non-alcoholic mixers. These look pretty good though. It's relatively busy in here. It's relatively busy. Nothing like New York though, or a major city, but still pretty busy, like one for around here. So now we're in the international product section. We went through the wine section. Aisle number 13, frozen Asian. It's pretty nice. Meat section. Here's the seafood section. Got a little fish here. Truck. Yeah, limited time Shiny Super Sale. We got a bunch of products over here, bottles, bowls, a water pot, Korean it looks to be. Chester's great tasting fried chicken. I think that's a restaurant. fruit bar. They have a few restaurants in here actually. So they have Chester's, great tasting fried chicken. Yeah, fruit bar, fresh cut natural juice. Deli. Spanish restaurant over here too, okay? So here's some of the desserts they have. We're gonna go check them out. I think it's pretty cozy. So this is my first time ever coming in here. So they actually have refrigerators too. If you want to buy refrigerators from here, big refrigerators. These are like factory type refrigerators. Wow. You got a wholesale over here. Houseware. Suitcases. What in the world? They have exercising equipment, massagers. Do not use due to the pandemic. And there's the checkout, but they have Maxima Latina, Bonita brows and jewelry, buy and sell for cell phones, an herbal shop. Quick. Customer service. Like a bodega or a corner store. And that's it really. So if you enjoyed that video, before I end it, they also have a sushi restaurant here. They have a sushi restaurant. Smoothies, shaved ice, bubble tea, coffee. Now Action Kid talks about bubble tea. I haven't tried it before, but I'm sure it's pretty good. Coffee, fresh fish shaped mini waffle, and hot tea. So a sushi restaurant, King of Sushi. And that's about it. So this is my first time inside of Nam Dae Mun. If you like this video, please give this video a like. Consider subscribing for more videos like this and high frame rate videos. And I'll see you guys shortly. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified of my latest uploads as well.